Here's an example of some other Scrimshaw that Brian's done recently. Turkey on one side and braid on the other side. This is a turkey call.
Correct.
I'm gonna try to use it now.
The trick is to close your mouth first and then put it up to it.
Oh, close your mouth first.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then... Yeah, that's closer than I think you were.
I've ever done before. Now, if you don't know, that is exactly what a turkey is supposed to sound like.
And if you do know, sorry.
Well, it doesn't sound like the wooden turkey call that I have, where you kind of scrape
Yeah.
the pieces together.
Yeah, they got... Well, let me see it. It's supposed to sound close to it. Kind of like, sort of.
We'll test
Takes practice.
We'll test it out in the spring.
Yeah. Those are made from the 3 bones in a turkey's wing, and there's one there that is just barely put together that shows that better.
Big one losing, the smaller one losing.
And it's amazing, kind of, that they do all kind of fit in together like that pretty good. I think that's an E flat.